Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to get Macy and Patrick in here. See there? Macy, come here, honey. Now I'm going to show you all the cake. Come on in here.
It's Elmo.
What do you think? Huh?
It's Elmo chocolate cake.
You see the Elmo cake, Mace?
What's those orange things?
Yeah.
Pickle peach.
Yeah, that's
Elmo.
Elmo. That's right, Elmo.
White frosting.
What do you think about the Elmo cake, Macy?
Why didn't you get to taste it?
Nobody's tasted it yet, silly.
Yeah, Macy.
Well, yeah, that was... I cut off some of it when I was decorating. What do you think about the Elmo cake?
It's delicious.
Chocolate
Pringles.
Trying to see what it looks like.
Chocolate Pringles, right?
Chocolate sprinkles, that's right. Yeah. Okay, we'll have some cake after dinner. Who's that, Mace?
Elmo.
Elmo, that's right. Okay. Chocolate cake. Okay. Alright, goofy boofy. Alright, see you later, Elmo. Go back to Sesame Street. We're fixing... If you don't leave, you're gonna get eaten.
No.
Bye.
Bye.
You won't be la-lolling.